so bored of these same old jeans. Can I paint something on this? I have an idea. But I'm a little confused about the right process to do it. I saw pictures of many girls wearing painted jeans like these. These are so cool, aesthetic, and trendy as well nowadays. Are you also bored of your same old jeans and want to transform them into a cool, aesthetic one? Then you must keep watching the video until the end. For this, first of all, we need a regular jeans, of course. Now start drawing whatever you want to draw on your pants. I am drawing my favorite stickers. You can draw as per your preference on one leg or both the. Here I am drawing a cute little lion. Like this one, draw all over the pants as many as you wish. Look, all my drawings are completed. I draw my favorite things on it, like my favorite food, favorite animals, favorite hobby, and all the things I like. Now let's grab your paint brushes and fabric colors so that we will start coloring. We have to apply a base coat first for better finishing. For this I am using white fabric color mixed with Fevicol glue. Mix them together properly and apply just over your drawings. After drying the base coat, it will look something like this. Now we can start coloring them. One thing to remember, we will only use fabric colors here. After the colors are dried, let's just border them with a thin paintbrush and a black fabric color. Do it slowly, take your time, otherwise it will not look neat and clean. And don't forget to add some charms on the cheeks of these cute little stickers. Finally, I am done with my paintings and look how aesthetic and beautiful this turned out. But you guys must wondering, is the colors will long last? Let me share some secret tips with you. Turn your pants upside down after drying the colors like this. Now quickly grab an iron and start ironing on it. Do it slowly. It will help to melt the color and stick properly with the fabric. It's completely done now. Now you also have your customized, cool and aesthetic pants to flaunt in front of your friends. If this video is a little helpful for you, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.